here we divide 173 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 3. So it became 13 and 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we got 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put decimal so that we take 0 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we got 0. So 173 divided by 2 we got 86.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.